Holy crap.
Oh my goodness, what is that?
Skunk.
Skunk. What's up, everybody? It's Saturday. Today we're heading out to Costco. We have to pick up a cake for a barbecue that we're attending this evening. We probably won't be showing a lot of it. Well, we're gonna...
Oh, skunk. Holy crap.
Oh my goodness, what is that?
Skunk.
Skunk. Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, we're going to Costco to get the cake, and then we're gonna head over. I don't know where we're doing after that. Probably heading home, eh?
Probably.
To get ready for that barbecue, and then we'll probably well, I don't know if we're gonna try to vlog at the barbecue.
There might be little bits and
pieces at the barbecue. So come with us to Costco as we check out what they have. Right?
Sure.
Okay, let's go. Well, guys, we just finished at Costco.
Hey, you see me backing out? Maybe stop.
You need to stop it.
If you... Okay, so we finished at Costco. As you can tell, we were wearing masks in Costco because, when was it? A couple days ago?
Yeah, something
A couple
like
of days ago, they implemented the masks again in Alberta because cases have gone up. And now they're doing a whole bunch of other stuff where they're doing exemption, like what's it called? Exemption.
No, I don't know.
I guess the
restrictions
and exemptions and all that stuff for people, for vaccinating people and stuff like that. And a lot of people are pretty upset about it. But anyways,
I'm not getting into that.
we're not gonna get into that at all because we're done with
I'm
it.
neutral.
We're very neutral right now because of it. But anyways, now we're heading to
Probably home.
Alrighty then.
because 12:03. So we're gonna head home and figure out what we're doing after that, right? So we'll see you guys at that.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Well, guys, we're actually now out and about heading to the barbecue. We stayed home.
Interesting.
Yes, it's gonna be very interesting because of the wind here. It's about what they say, 60, 90.
Well, it's gusting to like 70.
Yeah, so we're hoping.
Which is
I don't know what that is.
70 kilometers an hour would roughly be 50 miles an hour.
Yes.
No, God! No, God, please, no!
So we're gonna see how interesting that's gonna be. But we're gonna go get some ice for this barbecue, and then we're gonna head over to the barbecue. So we'll talk to you guys in a little bit.
2 hours later.
Well, guys, we're at the barbecue right now. We're just at my parents' house. We're actually having, it's a church barbecue that they're having. So they got invited us to come to it, so we decided to come. So we're gonna stick around and show you guys what's going on with this barbecue, and I'll talk to you guys after the barbecue and tell you guys how it went.
Y'all best be ready.
Meanwhile,
Well, guys, we just finished at the barbecue, so we'll see you guys in a little bit when we get back to the house, and we'll talk to you guys how it all went down, and yeah, we'll see you guys in a bit. Well, guys, we're going to close out the vlog for tonight. I hope you liked our video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, smash that like button, hit that notification bell when we upload every single time. Check us out on social media platforms of all the stuff that's down below. Check out Close to Wilderness for the code that we gave you a few vlogs back for that 10% off of your order. This hoodie I'm wearing right now is a limited edition hoodie they have on their websites, so go check them out. We'll have the links down below. So until next time, guys, we'll see you guys in the next vlog. See ya.